Hello, everybody. Jane DeMarinis here. Happy Thanksgiving. As we gather with family and friends this holiday season, I'm reminded how powerful our daily choices can be, especially when it comes to the food on our tables, something we're thinking about quite a lot at this holiday. This season is also about gratitude, and I'm deeply grateful for everyone who's thinking carefully about what they eat and how it affects their own well-being, their families, and the world around them. I also want to offer a special thank you to all of those of you who are choosing to reduce your meat consumption or forgo it entirely for your own health or for the health of the planet. Every thoughtful choice helps move us toward a future that's more sustainable, compassionate, and resilient. I'm grateful for your leadership, your curiosity, and your willingness to try something new. Wishing you a joyful, delicious, and meaningful Thanksgiving. Jane DeMarinis at Climate Diet. Happy Thanksgiving, and thanks for taking the time to listen to our message.